Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we'll move further and we have added some recipes and now we will see that what further we have to do. So here you can see that on the main page we have little issues like this one and some other issues, but before going to main page, if we go to any category, you can see that on the category you can see this ad, and we can actually want to delete this ad with our own custom ad. Definitely we can add Google ads as well, but currently our website is not approved by Google, so we will do that later. But for now we can actually remove this ad with our own custom ad. Okay, so you can see the dimensions are 728 into 90. Definitely you can create your own ad in these dimensions or even bigger if you want, and these ads. And before adding ads, I will just go to the media and I will just go to library and I will upload that ads, because I have created that ads somewhere here, I think. Yeah, this one and this one. Okay, so these two ads I have created and we will just place these ads. So these two ads, so let's drag and drop. Okay, these two ads. Okay, definitely we can add some more ads, but for now we will just add these two ads. And as you can see that we have definitely the links for this, we can get the links. So now where are these ads? Okay, on the categories pages. So if you will go here, you can go to the solidate, the main section. Here you can see certain areas, and here we have the ads manager. So what we will do, we will just click here and we will just check out that whether we have the ads or not. So here you can see that we have the header. So later on when we will approved by AdSense, we can add the ad codes here in these sections. And we have home page, we can display certain ads in the certain areas as well on the home page. Featured slider section, we can also add the ad. We have the archive pages, and then we have the single posts, I think, and I think in this section you can see this this display ad. Okay, and we can actually replace this with our, and also you can see this code over here. Okay, so we will just replace the image from here, and definitely we can add the links as well. So in this case, I think if you click here, you can see it's redirected us to some other page. So let's change it. So first of all, I will just change it with our first our first image. So where it is? Okay, let's go here and let's go to dashboard, and let's go to the media and this one, and copy the URL and come here, and here we will just change the code of the image. So here you can see that the image is coming from this link, so let's replace it with our own link. Okay, and that's great. And now we will just replace the this HTTP thing, and we will just open our, I think, the khushigift.com, which is our partner website. So we will just copy the website, and we will just paste the link over here. Okay, and then we will just move up a little bit, and here we will have Abbott Agri, which is our another partner website, and here you can see that we will just replace the banner. So let's go back. Okay, here I will just push gift. And copy the URL and come here. We will just replace the URL. So where is the URL? Okay, this one. And then definitely the link itself. So the link is here. So although these things are very easy, but definitely if you know HTML, then these things will be more easier than this. You can understand everything, every aspect. What is this IMG, what is this div, and everything. So it's highly recommended that whenever you will want to adopt the field of web development, make sure that you should know HTML, etc. And then we have the footer, and in footer we don't have anything. So let's refresh the main website, because we have replaced the ads from the posts section. I think for category section maybe we still you can see this ad is appearing, and if we go to post, some posts will show that ad and some posts will not. Maybe we have to enable, but anyhow we have here you can see the ad is appearing on the post, some posts. So if we go to certain other post, you can see that we have the ad here, which is good. And on the posts it's replaced, but on the category page it's not replaced. So let's see from where we will replace this ad. Okay, so now we will see that how we can actually edit the category. And definitely on the category page you can see that we have a heading here on the top, this ad. So for example, if you don't found any editable section here, you can go here and right away edit with Elementor, and here you can see the category template is here. So let's click here on the category template, and now we can edit different sections, and even we can add different sections as well if you want to add. Okay, you can see here you can add the different sections. So let's move up, and we want to edit this thing. So let's click here, and now you can see that on the left side we have the code. Let's extend this area, and now we will just get this image. Okay, although you can place your own images, but I'm just going to show you that you can display any images. Okay, so here you can see that we will just replace the image JPG, a link from here, and also this link copy, and we will just paste it over here. Okay, and then definitely we can click on update, and now it will be updated. And hopefully if we move back and refresh, after some time it will be replaced, hopefully, with our own image. Okay, why? Okay, no problem. Sometime it can take some time to replace the main image, so don't be worried about this option. If you don't find any result, you can again edit, and hopefully here you will see new image. Yeah, you can see new images there. For some reason it will be update it after some time. Okay, so no issue with this. So that's it. In next video we will move further. Goodbye.